Here is Matchpub App, Meet Random Strangers. So what is that? Over 8 million users are registered and ready to leave live video chat on Matchpub. Make it the ultimate destination for live video chats and join and making new friends. Matchpub has a global community of millions, whether you're here for video chat with new people seeking a safe LGBTQ plus friendly space to connect. Matchpub makes it easy to interact with individuals nearby or from across the globe. Why over 8 million people use Matchpub? Live video chat, connect in real time with millions worldwide. Revolutionary video chat app, discover a perfect match through video chat. Meet global friends. LGBTQ plus friendly, inclusive space with text for easy discover. Verified profiles only. Overcome language barriers. Real-time translation in video chats and messages. Find your people. Find people nearby or global with advanced filters. Exciting video chats, advanced filters, safe and verified community. So yeah, here is the app. And this is basically, like random video chatting app where you can just tap to start and start matching, but you need to give access to cameras, to location, and then you can just see profiles nearby. I don't know again how legit this app is. Like, seems it's not like super scammy, because there are so many like scammy apps with random video chat. Seems this is like proper app. It is expensive, and there are obviously AI bots in here. So just when you can obviously just buy some credits in here, and then there's Matchpub support, and there is your account. You can then just buy this credit coins. And then there is subscription. So there is normal subscription. Then there is club subscription. And then, Matchpub, you can remove your account. You can delete your account. And then you just have activities, who liked you. Then there is history. And then there are credits. And then that's basically the idea, how you can filter it out. Filter distance, show all. If you wanna, for example, filter by gender, you can also do that. And then you can see messages. Remove all matches, remove all messages, mark all as red. So that's the idea. There are no referral codes, seems like that. So seems there are no referral codes in here. No invite codes, no promo codes, so you only need to upgrade. But that's the idea of the app which you have in here. So that's what it is. I hope this is helpful. That's just what you have. And Matchpub app. Some people say decent app. Let's see some critical reviews. Some people say it's actually trash. I would give it 0 stars if that was possible. That you have, it says at least 18. Issues with phone verification, decent app. So that's just what you have in here. 1.9 thousand ratings, 4.7 average rating, and it's in top charts in like social networking. So seems quite decent, because again, there are so many these new Chinese apps right now made with AI, literally like spam apps where you just leave your information, leave your data, and that's it. They just disappear. But this seems not to be that super fake app. So try it out.